Good morning, guys. Currently 7:01 and I'm on my way to work. Let's go. Feeling good today. Took me 20 minutes to get to Masai Lodge. Let's see how long it takes to get to town. Bro, if you're late, you're late. Accept it. Right now, I've accepted the fact that I'm late and I can do nothing about it. So just keep calm and get to town safely. Let's say I'm at 8:30. (7:31) and already stuck in traffic. Yes, that's what's up. There's a lorry stored on the road. (7:48) and I'm at Wilson. Come on, we can make it to town by 8, man. Let's go. How is it possible to have traffic here? Come on. This is the last place I expected traffic. Yeah. This is what it looks like to be stuck in traffic at 8 a.m. It's time to leave work. Let's go, guys. Let's go home. Yeah, so it's time to go home. Sailing into the sunset. I'm on the road to riches. Woo! Let's go, guys. Let's go. Shout out Drone Verse. The traffic Just soldier on, man. Let's keep going. Today looks like we are gonna be early. Let's go. I don't know if you guys can see that plane going to land. Yeah. The top left. There goes that shade. One day, man. One day I'ma be up there. What we call sailing into the sunset. Or rather driving into the sunset. Yeah. That's how bad the traffic is at 6:22 in Karen. Apuinas, big up, big up. See you in the next one.